for you to be able to move forward, you have to stop bringing the past to the present. The thing is that for you to move forward, you have to be aware of where you are right now. You like the signs that says that you are here. So you have to know where you are right now in this moment. You need to be aware of, you know, what you have, what you count on, so you can work with that, with what you have, and move from the point A to the point B. And that's how we can move forward. If we keep clinging to the past, if we can bring in the past, you know, oh, I used to, you know, to do that, I did a bad thing, I made a mistake. We are always taking us, you know, or taking us back to the past, or bringing the past to the present. So we, you know, we contaminate, we clutter the present moment, and the road to go from A, that is where we are right now, to B. We clutter the path, because we're always remembering, or, you know, judging our past, you know, and our past make us who we are today. And the thing with the past is that it is a time that doesn't exist. You can't go back there. So you can go back there. You know, it is a place where you can go. The future, at least you can go to the future. It is something that you probably can do if you don't die. But if you are still alive, you have a future. You can go to the future. It's the place that you can project yourself, that you can actually visualize where you want to go. The most important moment is the present moment, what we have here, what we want in this moment, and what we have here, without clinging to it also, because that is, you know, is always changing. So the thing with the past is that it doesn't exist. What we bring from the past is what we learn from the things we did, not mistakes. People have a thing with mistakes that I don't understand, because how you are supposed to learn in life if you don't do things that goes wrong. And people are very judgmental with the mistakes, that, you know, a mistake is like the worst thing you can do. It's not the worst thing you can do. It's actually the way we learn, is doing things that, you know, probably go right or probably go wrong. And what you can do with that is taking what you learn from it and just move on, you know. And it is very it is damaging what we do with the past, you know. We used to bring what happened, you know, like, I used to be a bad person. Okay, you are not anymore, so stop bringing it to the present moment and stop feeling guilty for it, because you are not doing it anymore. If you are doing it right now in this moment, you know, if you steal something and you are stealing something right now, so feel guilty for what you are doing now, but don't bring the past to the present. Don't bring the past to the present moment. You are not the same person you were 5 minutes ago, because we are always growing, we are always changing. And if you keep bringing the things you did in your past, you are not going to be able to move forward. And if you move forward, you're going to move with, you know, with fear, with the fear of, you know, the voice in your head telling you, you know, that it's going to go wrong, or people telling you that it's going to go wrong. So we have to clean that up, so we can be able to actually connect with ourselves and to say, hey, this is where I am now. I have learned from my past experiences. It is, you know, I can move forward safe. I can move forward knowing that I am always guided, that I am loved, you know, that I have spirits that take care of me, that I have my intuition, and that I know that I am moving to the place I want to be, and that place is going to bring blessings to me. And with that certainty, you move from A to B with peace, with grace, and without judgment, without the weight from your past, without the weight from your lessons, without the weight of people opinions and telling you, bringing the past over you over and over and over again. So connect with yourself, be aware of where you are right now, be aware of where you want to be, and move forward. Move forward because you are being guided, because you need the change, because you need to grow. And it is okay to want new experiences. It is okay to want what you want, and it is okay to see your dreams come true.